Unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel and supercharge your video strategy by installing the essential VidIQ Chrome extension. First, open your Google Chrome browser in the address bar. Type Chrome Web Store and press Enter. Now, locate the search bar within the Chrome Web Store. Usually at the top left, type VidIQ and hit Enter to find the extension. You'll see the VidIQ YouTube Technology extension. Click on the prominent blue button that says Add to Chrome. A small confirmation window will pop up. Simply click on Add Extension to proceed with the installation. And just like that, you'll see the VidIQ icon appear in your Chrome toolbar. Usually at the top right, this indicates a successful installation. Now, when you visit any YouTube video or your own channel, VidIQ will automatically overlay valuable insights. This includes in-depth performance data, competitor analysis to see what's working for others, and powerful keyword research tools to help you find what audiences are searching for. You can now dive deep into keyword opportunities, optimize your video titles and descriptions for better search rankings, and track your channel's growth more effectively. Install VidIQ today to elevate your YouTube SEO, refine your content strategy, and watch your channel reach new heights.